क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो मैं इंग्लिश कैसे सीख सकता हूँ?
Can you tell me how can I speak?
हाउ कैन आई लर्न इंग्लिश या हाउ आई कैन लर्न इंग्लिश? आप मुझे बता सकते हो किसकी चेयर है?
Can you tell me whose chair is this?
Whose chair is this या whose chair this is? आप बैठ सकते हो,
You can say.
you can sit. आप ये क्लास अटेंड कर सकते हो.
You can attend this class.
क्या आप बोल सकते हो जो मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
Can you speak what I can speak?
Can you speak what I can speak? So everyone, we have 4 extraordinary students. Your name?
आर्यन शर्मा,
Aryan Sharma,
प्रिंस राजावत,
Prince Rajavat,
Tushti Jain.
Tushti Jain,
Janki Sharma.
Janki Sharma. So we have 4 extraordinary students. In which class do you study?
8th standard,
You study in 8th.
12th standard,
You study in 12th.
10th standard.
In 10th standard.
I'm in 12th.
So we have 2 students who are from 12th standard. One is from 8th and second is from 10th. So there is so much diversity in the batch in the class today. Anyway, so let's see how they are going to speak. So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
देखते हैं इन चारों में से WH words को एज ए कनेक्टिव कितने लोग कॉन्फिडेंटली और सही तरीके से बोल पाते हैं. एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट फोकस हाउ दे आर ट्रांसलेटिंग. सो आर यू फॉर रेडी टू स्पीक?
Yes, sir.
रियली?
Yes, sir.
मैं जानता हूं आप क्या कर रहे हो.
I know what you are doing.
क्या आप बता सकते हो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं?
Can you tell me what I'm doing?
What I am doing या what am I doing?
What am I doing?
What I am doing. Okay? मैं जानता हूं आप क्या कर रहे हो.
I know what you are doing.
क्या आपने सुना जो मैंने बोला?
Did you heard what I said?
Did you listen what I said? मैं सुन नहीं पाया जो आपने कहा.
I can't listen what you said.
सुन नहीं पाया. I could not listen what you said. What you
said.
आप वहाँ कितने बजे जाते हो?
At what time you go there?
मैं जानता हूँ आप वहाँ कितने बजे जाते हो.
I know at what time you go there.
At what time you go there या at what time do you go there?
At what time you go there?
You go there. आपको याद रखना है जब भी आपके WH words एज अ कनेक्टिव सेंटेंस के बीच में यूज हो रहे हो, देन उसके बाद सेंटेंस क्या बनता है? अफर्मेटिव बनता है. तो क्या आप जानते हो वो कितने बजे वहां जाता है? At what time? Do you know at what time he goes there? क्या आप जानते हो जो मैं जानता हूं?
Do you know what I know?
क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो किसकी चेयर है?
Can you tell me whose chair is this?
Whose chair is this या whose chair this is?
whose chair this is,
Whose chair
this is,
this is? मैं जानता हूं ये किसकी चेयर है.
I know whose chair this is.
I know whose chair
this is,
this is. सोचो,
Think.
think. सोचो और बोलो.
Think and speak.
Think and speak. आपको सोचना चाहिए.
You should think.
You should think.
Think.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
आपको बोलना चाहिए जो आप बोल सकते हो.
You should speak what you can.
You should speak what you can. मैं नहीं बोल सकता जो आप बोल सकते हो.
I can't speak what you can.
I cannot speak what you can. क्या आप सुन रहे हो?
Are you listening?
क्या आप सुनते हो?
Do you listen?
क्या आप सुनते हो जो मैं बोलता हूँ?
Do you listen what I speak?
Do you listen what I said? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो मैं इंग्लिश कैसे सीख सकता हूँ?
Can you tell me how can I speak?
How can I learn English या how I can learn English?
How I can learn English?
Yes. Can you tell me how I can learn English? आप इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो अगर आप रेगुलरली क्लास अटेंड करो तो.
You can learn English if you attend class regularly.
रेगुलरली if you attend class regularly.
Regularly.
सर मेरी प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं रोज क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर सकता.
Sir, this is my problem that I can't attend the class daily.
देखो भाई रेगुलरली तो क्लास अटेंड करनी पड़ेगी यदि आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो.
See, you have to attend class regularly if you want to learn English.
Excellent. See, you have to attend the class regularly if you want to learn English. ठीक है मैं कोशिश करूंगा.
Yes, I will try.
All right, I will try to attend regularly. आपको कोशिश नहीं आपको अटेंड करना ही है.
You don't
You don't have to try. You must have to attend. You must have to attend. Okay, मैं अटेंड करता हूँ. मैं बोलता हूँ. मैं बोलूंगा. क्या बोल सकते हो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
Can you speak what I can speak?
Can you speak what I am speaking? Can you speak what I am
Speaking.
Can you speak what I am
speaking,
क्या मुझे बता सकते हो वो क्यों हंस रहे हैं?
Can you tell me why he is laughing?
या फिर से बोलो.
Can you tell me why he is laughing?
Why he is laughing ना कि why is he laughing. You got it?
Yes.
Can you tell me why he is laughing? मुझे नहीं पता वो क्यों हंस रहा है.
I don't know why he is laughing.
वो आपका फ्रेंड है आपको पता होना चाहिए वो क्यों हंस रहा है.
He is your friend. You should know why he is laughing.
He is your friend. You should know why is he laughing. आप बोल नहीं रहे हो.
You're not speaking.
You are not speaking. मैं बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन आप सुन नहीं रहे हो.
I'm speaking, but you're not listening.
I am speaking but you are not listening. मैं सुन रहा हूँ जो आप बोल रहे हो.
I am listening what you are speaking.
I am listening what you are speaking. मैं जानता हूं आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी.
I know how you learn English.
हाउ यू लर्न इंग्लिश. मैं जानता हूं आपने सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाए.
I know how you make sentences.
आई नो हाउ यू मेड सेंटेंसेस. ओके, मैं सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकता.
I can't make sentences.
मैं आपकी तरह सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकता.
I cannot make sentences like you.
आई कैन नॉट मेक सेंटेंसेस लाइक यू. आप लेट आ रहे हो.
You're coming late.
आपको लेट नहीं आना चाहिए.
You should not come late.
आपको यहाँ समय पर आना चाहिए.
You should come on time.
क्या आपको पता है क्लास कब शुरू होता है.
Do you know when class starts?
डू यू नो व्हेन क्लास स्टार्ट्स. अगर आपको पता है तो फिर आप क्यों नहीं आते हो टाइम पर.
If you know why you don't come on time.
If you know, so why don't you come on time. कि if you know why you don't come on time, कौन सा सही है.
Sir, why don't you come on time?
Why you don't come on time. सर मैं यहाँ 6 बजे आता हूँ.
Sir, I come here at 6 o'clock.
सर आई कम हियर एट 6 o'clock. मेरा कोचिंग रहता है. आई हैव अ कोचिंग. मेरा एक दूसरा कोचिंग रहता है.
I have another coaching.
आई हैव अनदर कोचिंग. मैं 4 से 5 एक कोचिंग जाता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ नहीं आ पाता हूँ.
I go to another coaching from 4 to 5.
4 to 5. That's why I am unable to come here. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा है तो
Okay, it's fine.
ऑल राइट. इफ सो का मतलब क्या होता है. ऐसा है तो. ऑल राइट इफ सो. आप बैठ सकते हो.
You can say.
यू कैन सिट. आप ये क्लास अटेंड कर सकते हो.
You can attend this class.
क्या आप बोल सकते हो जो मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
Can you speak what I can speak?
कैन यू स्पीक व्हाट आई कैन स्पीक. वाओ दैट्स ग्रेट. अब मैं इनसे थोड़े पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा. सो जानकी,
Yes, sir.
हाउ आर यू.
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Janki, let me know about your future plans. What you have to be.
I want to be an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Can you explain the full form of IAS?
It is Indian Administrative Service.
Okay. And to qualify and to be an IAS, what exam you are supposed to be
We
qualified?
have to give UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission exam.
Okay. And do you know the syllabus of UPSC?
It is so vast.
Yeah, it's so vast, and for that you have to study very hard. And at this age, you have to start studying.
Yeah, I have already started.
You have started studying. How old are you right now?
Right now I'm 17 running.
17 running, so 18, 19, 20, 21.
Yeah.
You are having 4 years to prepare yourself, because after 21 you will be eligible to give this exam. Under 21 if you are not eligible to give the exam of
Yes.
that. You got it? Yeah, Tusti. Okay. Let me know, in which school do you study?
I study in St. Joseph Convent.
Okay. Do you go to school regularly?
Yes, sir.
These days are you going to school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your school time?
Sir, 7:10 to 1.
1 o'clock. Wow. And you come here at 4 o'clock in the evening. Are you enjoying the summer camp with Persona?
Yes, sir.
And who is your best buddy? Who is your best friend in these all students?
Swara.
Swara is your best friend. Wow. She's your best friend. And day before yesterday, she was celebrating a birthday. So did she give you treat?
Yes, sir.
Really? You gave her treat. That's great. And when your birthday is about to come?
Sir, it is so far, 11 September.
Okay, so you have to give treat to her on your birthday because she's your best friend. That's
Yes,
why.
sir.
Aryan,
Yes, sir.
take the mic. Okay, Aryan, let me know. You said you studied in 8th class.
Yes,
so
sir.
this year you have been promoted in 8th class, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have given the exam of 7th.
Yes, sir.
From which school?
St. Pius.
Okay, and this year you studied at the standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and in Khandwa, where do you live?
I'm living Anandnagar, Vidyanagar.
I am होता है कि I live in.
I live in Anandnagar, Vidyanagar.
Okay, and where is Vidyanagar?
Near Prem Parisar.
Near Prem Parisar.
Where Vidhayak lives.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, and just let me know something about your plans. Okay, what you have to be in your life?
I want to be a cricketer.
A cricket player you have to be.
Yes, sir.
Wow, so are you a bowler or batsman?
I am an all-rounder.
All-rounder.
I am a fast bowler in cricket and a hitter in batting.
Hitter. Like
Yes,
Rohit
sir.
Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
give me mic. Yes, what's your name?
Prince Rajavat.
Prince Rajavat. Prince, let me know. You said you study in 12th standard.
Yes, sir.
So what's your stream?
I want to become army man.
No. Your stream. आपकी stream क्या है? Bio, science, maths क्या है आपका?
Commerce.
You are the student of commerce.
Commerce.
And what do you have to be?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to become?
I want to become army man.
Army man.
Yes.
तो आर्मी में कौन सी पोस्ट ब्रदर? बहुत सारी
GD.
थी.
In GD. General duty.
Okay, that's good. And I insist you, if you have to go in army, you should be good in English and mathematics. Okay,
Yes.
because for cracking any entrance exams or competitive exam, you should be good in English and mathematics.
Yes.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
And also you must be good in physical fitness. You know?
Yes, sir.
Because that is also very important. And let me know in which school do you study?
In St. John's Convent Higher Secondary School.
Okay, that's good. Chaliye, a good clapping for all. Wow.